look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waves.
Good morning mga topilots, and today we'll be flying to Zamboanga, to my hometown, using the Airbus 320 Neo. So stay tuned, and yes, iniwan ako ng family ko. Dati punong-puno ito eh. Ngayon, wala. Hello Topilots, andito kami ngayon sa Zamboanga. Tapos na lahat kami sa preparation namin going back to Manila. And we're just waiting for all the cargos to be loaded. So dito sa taas walang cargo, lahat ng cargo dun lang sa baba. And regarding dun sa title, yes, my family left me. They are here right now in Zamboanga, so I'm based in Manila. So this is one of those things that is a disadvantage about this profession. Kasi sometimes you will miss a lot of special occasions for your family, and in my case right now, since malapit na yung right now it's already December, so a lot of people are going back to their provinces for the holidays. We intended to for them to go here early para hindi sila makipagsabayan dun sa mga pasahero na uuwi para sa Pasko at saka sa bagong taon. So maraming disadvantages yung pagiging piloto din. Isa na ngayon, katulad ko ngayon, malayo ako sa pamilya ko. But buti na lang, we have internet, we have Messenger, FaceTime, so kahit pa paano may communication pa rin sa family, unlike siguro noon. So that's one of the disadvantages. One disadvantage also that I can see is yung fatigue, but right now konti lang ang lipad namin, so naghahanap kami ng maraming lipad. But before, especially during this time of the year, December, from November, December to January, yun yung mga peak season. So maraming trabaho, maraming lipad, kailangan mong magpahinga ng maayos to get the proper rest, kasi for sure marami kaming flights like the previous years. But of course right now, because of the pandemic, hindi na ganun kadami yung lipad. So since we are a cargo flight and sometimes merong cabin crew, pero katulad ngayon wala kami kasama kasi walang cargo dito sa taas. Yan, empty yung taas, so hindi kailangan ng cabin crew para i-supervise dito. So isa pa sa mga disadvantages pag walang cabin crew, kami yung magtitimpla ng sarili naming kape. Joseph, ano tingin mong disadvantage ng trabaho natin?
Ayan, go na ba yan?
Oo.
Kasi yun eh. Ang nakikita ko isang disadvantage nitong trabaho natin ay number one, yung pagka sobrang busy sa work ay minsan nawawala ng time para sa family. Isa yun. Pero ngayong nagkaroon ng pandemic, naging maganda din yung effect ng pandemic sa akin dahil nagkaroon ako ng simula March 7 to 8 months kasama ko yung family ko. Tapos ngayon medyo maluwag naman yung schedule, kaya madalas ko din kasama yung family ko. Pero dati talaga nung nagna 90 hours a month kami halos, pag uwi ng bahay tulog na, tapos kinabukasan pasok na naman. Pag day off parang gusto na lang matulog. So ayun. So number 2 na nakikita kong disadvantage nitong halos palaging paglipad dito sa airline ay fatigue. Minsan nagkakaroon din ng chronic fatigue or yung parang naiipon-ipon yung mga fatigue sa katawan na minsan ayaw mo nang kumilos, gusto mo na lang mag-relax. Pero at the same time, ako hindi ko iniisip yun kasi gusto ko yung ginagawa ko, masaya ako na lumilipad. So yung fatigue, minsan ginagawa ko, kain na lang ako tapos pamasahe. Ayan, yun yung mga...
Saka hahanap ka ng time para makarest, no?
Yun, hanap ng time talaga para makarest. So ano pa bang disadvantage? Wala naman akong ibang nakikita na disadvantage, yun lang.
Masaya ka ba?
Masaya talaga sir.
Well, no regrets.
No regrets sir.
Sige, thank you.
Yes sir, thank you.
So wala tayong ginagawa kasi tapos na lahat ng preparations namin ni Captain Kulya. Ito pala kalipad ko, Sir J, taga Lipa. Hindi nyo alam si Sir J, instructor pilot ko sa Air Force. Ngayon kasama ko lumipad dito sa Airlines. Sir, anong advice mo sa mga gusto magpiloto?
Live a happy life.
Yun! Live a happy life. Anong disadvantage nito, sir? Sa'yo? Katulad ko ngayon, malayo ako sa pamilya ko.
Ayun. Malayo sa family at saka sa loved ones.
Yeah. So, habang naghihintay kami ni Sir J, wala pa namang tapos na kami sa lahat ng preparations namin, naghihintay na lang kami. Kakain muna kami. Wow! Hi guys, we are back. Tapos na yung flight natin. So it's a very quick flight going to Zamboanga and then back here in Manila. It's a cargo flight. So kapag ka cargo flight, medyo mabilis yung turnaround natin kasi there are no passengers to be screened. All the cargos are already inside the aircraft pagdating natin sa aircraft, and then when we reach Zamboanga, mabilis din kasi prepared na lahat ng cargo, isasakay na lang sa eroplano, tapos naka-pallet pa yung mga cargo sa Airbus 321. We flew the 321neo kanina. Yun. Kaya medyo mabilis yung flight, and kanina pang madaling araw ako gising because that flight started at 4:25. Actually, yung flight is 4:25, but the sign-in time for you to be at the office is about an hour and 20 before that. Prior pa nun, kailangan mo magising ng 1 hour before, depende kung saan ka nakatira. So that's also one of the disadvantages that we are going to face for all of us pilots, because we don't have the usual 9 to 5 jobs. So yung body clock natin kailangan mag-adjust depende sa time ng flight. Like kanina, around 2 AM ako nagising para lang ma-meet ko yung sign-in time sa office na around 3:25. So medyo mahirap pag sa umpisa, pero masasanay ka rin naman. Hindi nga lang katulad ng iba yung body clock mo, talagang iba-iba. Where are you?
I'm one of the balconies.
At the balcony?
The one where we mostly.
Did you play with the goats?
No.
No?
But did play with Whitey.
With what?
Did play with Whitey.
Whitey?
With Whitey.
Whitey,
Yeah, the Shih Tzu. That's Shih Tzu.
Whitey the dog?
With Shih Tzu. Yeah, the Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu?
Yeah. Cause you know why we call her Whitey?
Why?
Because she's a and then she's super duper white.
She's super duper white. So yun nga mga topilots, isa rin sa disadvantage natin as pilots is yung pwedeng mawala ka agad yung pagiging piloto natin dahil sa medical reasons. So hindi katulad ng ibang office jobs na kapag may sakit ka, parang pwede ka lang okay, pwede ka lang tuloy-tuloy na magtrabaho. Pero pag sa piloto, kailangan mong i-maintain yung medical license mo, and if you are sick or if you have an illness, there are some illnesses na hindi ka aprubahan ng authorities para lumipad. So, pwedeng hindi ka kaagad makalipad or mawala kaagad yung license mo sa pagpapalipad ng eroplano dahil sa medical reasons. That's the reason why pilots, they tend to stay healthy. Most of them. I'm not bragging, but I don't smoke, I don't drink. My problem is eating. So, I try to eat healthy. Kanina, kumain ako ng cake. Yan, healthy. Hindi mo naman kailangan tipirin yung sarili mo. Paminsan-minsan kailangan mo ring kumain ng mga masasarap na bagay. But take everything into moderation. Kapag sinobrahan mo naman kasi yung something, it's not good for you. So, yun lang. Tips ko sa inyo, stay healthy. And if you love this job, if you love being a pilot, you don't consider those things as a hindrance. Parang kasama na siya sa kasama na siya sa pagiging piloto mo, kasama na siya sa career mo. So all you have to do is maintain your health, yung pagiging malayo sa family, katulad ko ngayon, andun sila sa Zamboanga. The reason why nauna sila doon is dahil ayaw namin makipagsabayan this December. But I have to stay here because I have to work. So yun, malayo ka sa pamilya mo kung hindi ka taga dito sa Manila or kung saan man yung base mo. Saka yung cost pala. Cost ng training. Kapag ikaw lahat ang nagbayad, medyo malaki yung cost of training para maging piloto. So, yun lang. Medyo matagal yung pag-upload ko ng video na to dahil sa dami ng kailangan kong asikasuhin, dahil nga yung family ko kailangan nilang umuwi ng Zamboanga. So, I have to prioritize those things. So, thank you again. Until our next video. Thank you.